Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer a YouTube channel to another Google account with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. On the YouTube homepage, click the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, then select YouTube Studio. Go to settings at the bottom left corner of the screen, then select permissions. Click manage permissions. Click manage permissions again. You'll need to sign in to confirm it's you. Once the verification is complete, click manage permissions. Click this icon at the top right corner of the page. Then add the email address of the new user. Under choose a role, select owner. Click invite. Log into the new user's Google account. Open the email inbox of the new user. You'll see the invite here. Click it, then accept the invitation. Click agree. On YouTube, you click the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen and select switch account. We see that this user now has access to the channel. Go back to the account of the primary owner. Select manage permissions. Under the name of the new user here, you can change the role to primary owner. Please note that for security reasons, Google requires a 7-day waiting period before finalizing the transfer. So just use the account as a regular owner. Once the 7 days are up, you can transfer the channel by clicking transfer here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.